So today we're going to learn how to do the popcorn stitch, as I made in Ariel's bra, as you can see here. This popcorn stitch creates a 3D style, like it's popping out of the fabric like this. So let's learn how to do it. So I have my base here, so we can do the popcorn stitches. And you can do it in a flat crochet piece or in a round one, as we usually do in our amigurumis. So it works the same, okay? And it's very simple. You just have to create some double crochets in the same stitch to create it, okay? So I'll make my first popcorn stitch here, okay? I'll make one double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, number 5. And you can do as many double crochets as you want, okay? You can do the popcorn stitch with 4, 5, 6 double crochets, okay? So very carefully you remove the hook, as I did here. Don't worry, because I'll do it once again. And I have 5 double crochets coming out of the same stitch. So I'll insert my hook in the first, you see, the first stitch, the first double crochet that I did here, and grab the loop of the last double crochet that I made, okay? And I'll bring this yarn to the first one. I'll make a chain to continue, and as you see, the bubble that it creates, this is our first popcorn stitch. Let's see it at the other side. It creates like a hole here. You see? A small hole. But that's simple. This is the popcorn stitch. Let's do it once again together. So we make one single crochet here. And now 5 double crochets coming out of the same stitch. I'll make my first one. Fourth and 5th double crochet. If you want here, in order to avoid losing this last stitch, you can also hold it with your fingers like this, and I will insert the hook in the first one, the first double crochet, grab the loop of the last one, pass it through the first, make a chain to continue, and this is our third and last popcorn stitch. See how easy it is? Let's look at the other side. You create these holes, okay, in the back part of your crochet piece.